You will be amazed by this 2021 Genesis GV80. Here's an athletic performer with modern panache. The GV80's clean styling, smart tech, refined cabin, smooth acceleration, and advanced driver assist safety features bring fresh energy and inspiration to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows. Don't miss the chance to drive this thrilling GV80. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.